Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to order from ACBUY full guide. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to place an order on ACBUY. First, visit ACBUY and sign up for an account. Then verify your email by clicking the link sent to you. Next, search for the product you want to purchase. Let's say a casual watch. Select the item, agree to the terms, and choose your preferred specifications such as color and quantity. Click Buy Now, select your currency and payment method, then enter your credit card details at checkout. After placing your order, it will progress through several stages: pending, purchase, seller ship, and warehouse received. Review the quality control images, approve them, and then select your international shipping method based on cost and speed. AC Buy will pack and ship your item, providing a tracking number so you can monitor your delivery. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.